What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. I got over 40,000 people viewing the channel each and every month that have yet to subscribe. Y'all rocking with me. Y'all obviously taking in this information, but hit the subscribe button so that way you can always be updated first. You can get this information first. You can position yourself before everybody else. You're missing a lot of money if you're not subscribed to the channel, so make sure you do that if you're rocking with me. Now we got something to talk about, two things actually. Why did Ethereum Whales sell 37.3 million worth of Shiba Inu? And then I want to talk about this one thing that I think everyone is forgetting about, that once this gets updated, I think Shiba Inu is gonna go absolutely berserk. So let's take a look at this real quick. Why did Ethereum Whales sell 37.3 million worth of Shiba Inu? So according to Whale Stats, Ethereum Whales have dropped 37.3 million in sales of Shiba Inu. Nearly 3 trillion SHIB tokens have been sold over the last 24 hours by these whales. SHIB bags have become drastically smaller, going down to 119 million from the previous 157 million. Thus, whales have sold a total of 2.8 trillion, I think, Shiba Inu tokens, with 1.4 trillion sold overnight. So here's why these Ethereum whales may have just gotten rid of so much Shiba Inu in a span of a few hours. So why did they do this? SHIB recently had a small rise on the markets of 3%, prompting whales to seize the opportunity to profit. Selling over 1.5 million trillion coins, whales sold enough SHIB to drop the token from 3rd to 5th place on their holding rankings. In a total, they've pocketed over $19 million. So this is what I really want y'all to pay attention to. Just because we're seeing small days of 3% gain, 5% gain, you got to remember there's people that are holding hundreds and hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars worth of SHIB. If they see a 3% gain on $100,000, they just made $3,000 in one day. Or if they're holding $1 million dollars worth of SHIB, what is that, like $30,000 in one day? So you want to keep that in mind. When people are able to make $3,000 to $30,000 in one day, that's going to trigger them to take profit. So they're going to lock some of those gains in. But what I think is going to happen, I think they're going to put some more back in the market, because let's take a look at this chart real quick. They know what's up. Look at all the different catalysts we got coming up. Look at what's been going on with Bone Token. Look at everything as a whole. That's why I make all these different videos, so you can take this information and use it like a puzzle and put it all together. Now, take a look at the chart right now. Shiba Inu trading at the 13.3 level. We are officially out of this downtrend that we've been seeing. You know what they say, when you start forming doji candles. Let me zoom in here so y'all can see this chart. Okay, maybe I zoomed in too much. But when you start forming doji candles, that's these candles here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 doji candles in a row. That's almost a week worth of doji candles. And we're finally out of this downtrend. So we're at the bottom of a downtrend, forming doji candles, and officially stepped outside of this downtrend. That is a bullish signal. Also, if we take a look at our Bollinger Bands, take a look at the upper Bollinger Band, the mid Bollinger Band, and the lower Bollinger Band. We're trading right on this mid Bollinger Band. The mid Bollinger Band is usually used as a key support level before things either drop lower or go up higher. Now our upper Bollinger Band is at that 16 level. We got our standard pivot at the highest level at R5, the resistance level 5, putting us around that 20 level. So we may see if we get a major breakout to that 18 or 20 level, that could be in the near future, and then that could be what we need to see that'll get us to that 26 level that I've been predicting. Now remember, I always say you can give or take a little bit, because sometimes the market makers, they see the technical analysis themselves, so they understand where everybody else sees the key resistance areas and support levels as well, and they sometimes pull it a little further beyond those points. So you just got to keep that in mind as well. But I'm very excited. We see the RSI pulling back as well. volume tapering off. So with the volume tapering off and the price not falling, it's still holding at this level. This lets us know that there are buyers stepping in. And if you notice this trend slightly, take a look at this here. We are on a continuous uptrend. It's not pretty, it's not the most perfect, one, but if we take a look at this entire trend, we've been in the uptrend for a while here. So to pull back is only natural. We see impulses, correction, impulse, correction, trade sideways for a while, consolidation, major breakout. Now we got the breakout is an impulse, and then we're off of a correction again. So right now we're on a correction. We've been seeing some consolidation, so we should get a breakout soon. So I wanted to share that technical analysis with y'all. Of course, the price could always pull back further, especially if we get some type of negative catalyst. But this is the one thing I think everyone is forgetting about. Once this updates, everybody is going to go crazy. You're going to see Shiba Inu in so many articles. You're going to see people FOMOing left and right. So I want y'all to pay attention to this number right here. So you see where it says circulating supply. It said it still has 549 trillion SHIB listed. Once this number updates and people see, a difference in this number, and they start to have that hope back that, the supply is actually decreasing, because remember, we're getting a ton of burns, but we're not actually seeing it reflected in the listing of the circulating supply. But once people see that number actually moving, that needle moving, people are going to FOMO like crazy, y'all. So keep that in mind. I just wanted to show y'all that, update y'all on that, so y'all can add this to, the overall information that you're learning and gaining. And, that's all we got for this video, man. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. We on fire. We're dropping back to back every single thing that we catch. We're going to keep y'all updated with. Now, some people, when it comes to due diligence, they don't like to do it. They don't like to go out and look at anything. They rather, be reactionary. So they rather wait until they hear everybody talking about Shiba Inu blowing up. They rather wait till they see everybody posting gains on Shiba Inu before they make their move. But y'all that are tapped in and subscribed and hear it every day, pulling up, taking this information in, I guarantee you're going to be a lot better off than those that are playing right now. So keep that in mind. If you're serious about investing, ready to take things to the next level, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't miss out on what we got coming to the channel. I'm DecemberDeMarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.